Are you having a sound sleep? Do you sleep to your heart's content? Just check with your sleepometer. Here we come from Nirupam's Future Minds with sleep motivation. जो अच्युतानंद जो जो मुकुंदा लाली परमानंद राम गोविंद जो 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 अच्युतानंद जो जो मुकुंदा लाली परमानंद राम गोविंद जो जो. Earlier, the mother used to make her child sleep with such soothing and soft lyrics. In the process, the mother and even the child go to sleep smoothly. But the gadgets have swallowed everything. There is no more such smooth and lubricant sleep experienced either by the child or the mother today. Early to bed, early to rise makes us healthy, wealthy, and wise. We have been listening to these lines across time and age through our parents, through our teachers, through our elders, through our well-wishers. But how many of us are going to bed early? How many of us are waking up early? How many of us are enjoying our sleep? How many of us are celebrating our sleep? How many of us are lubricating our mind and soul physically and mentally through our sleep? It is in this context we from Nirupam's Future Minds came forward with the concept sleep motivation. Here we are with the sleepometer, which is going to check whether you had proper sleep or not. You might just wonder what is sleepometer. The mobile which you carry 24/7 itself acts as a sleepometer. I'll just let you know. As you all know, if there is a minimum gap of 8 hours between your WhatsApp messages sent or received, or more than that, it is a clear signal that you had proper sleep of 8 hours. If it is less than that, it is the signal that you didn't have proper sleep. This way, your sleepometer is going to help you detect whether you slept to your heart, you had a sound sleep or not. And this is what is the essence of sleep motivation from Nirupam's Future Minds. Now we are going to take up what are the advantages, what are the life-changing, life-igniting benefits we get from sleep, and what are the main features of sleep motivation. Proper quantitative and qualitative sleep makes one shed off one's fears, tensions, phobias, and anxieties. It also keeps one at lower vibrational frequency and infuses enthusiasm and energy and improves the memory and alertness. Especially nap, no activity period. N for no, A for activity, P for period. Nap. A small break is the topmost need for high school and intermediate students. A 1 hour nap will definitely recharge them and helps them race towards their goal with multiplied enthusiasm and also develop their cognitive functions. Good night sleep is of course the best medicine. But before I conclude, let me share some tips for better sleep. The first thing is to maintain a consistent sleep schedule. The second thing is to leave the gadgets away at least an hour before. The third thing is to go to sleep and wake up using one's internal alarm clock. And the final one, of course, is to celebrate one's sleep by losing oneself totally, enjoying the sleep, getting the best dreams so that later they convert their dreams into realities with the energy and enthusiasm they derived during the sleep. So, friends, the 3 hours which you get by maintaining proper sleep are rejuvenation, recharging yourself, and renewing your confidence levels. Just keep maintaining the sleep motivation perennially by liking, sharing, and subscribing the channel Nirupam's Future Minds.